Good afternoon, it's for Physical and Biological Science today. Myself, Sir Emmanuel, and Sir Mark will be presented on the title Rainforest Biodiversity and Sustainable Development with the subtitle An Exploration of Guyana's Rich Forests, Their Resources and Conservation Efforts. Now we'll begin my presentation. Guyana, known as the land of many waters, is home to vast and pristine rainforests that cover nearly 85% of its territory. These forests are not only rich in biodiversity but also play a crucial role in the country's economy, climate regulation and cultural heritage. The Amazon Basin, which extends into Guyana, supports a diverse range of flora and fauna, many of which are endemic to the region. This presentation explores the types of forests in Guyana, the valuable resources they provide, and the importance of their conservation for sustainable development. Now let's look at the extent and type of forests in Guyana. Guyana's forests are diverse and cover a significant portion of the country. They include 1. Tropical rainforest, dense evergreen forest with high biodiversity. 2. Seasonal forest, characterized by dry and wet season, also known as the rainy season, influencing plant and animal life. 3. Mangrove forest, found along the coastline, crucial for preventing erosion. 4. Swamp forests, wetlands that provide habitats for unique species. Now my colleague, Sir Emmanuel, will take you into the useful products from Guyana's rainforest. Thank you.
Alright, well, myself, Malcolm Emmanuel, will be taking you through the useful products from Guyana rainforest. First of all, Guyana rainforests provide a wealth of natural resources. These include like the timber, which we get our local wood from to build buildings, our house. Hardwoods, like for example, we have green heart, purple heart that we use in construction to make and also to make furniture. We have the medical plants, traditional and modern medicine. We rely on species like sarsaparilla and cowesa. Fruits and nuts like cashew nuts, coconuts, and wild fruits support local communities, like where we get our cashew nuts and stuff. Then we have essential oils extracted from trees for cosmetics and medical use. A lot of pharmacy use some of these oils and stuff for medical use, for medicine. And we have the ecotourism, where we have the wildlife, the bird watching, and cultural tourism contribute to sustainable development for this country. So now I'll move into the maintenance and conservation of the forest, where we help to maintain and preserve things to last longer. Good. So we need to ensure the sustainability of Guyana's forest conservation efforts include a whole set of different things. So we will go through some of them. The first one says sustainable logging, where we implement and we control the harvesting to prevent deforestation. A large amount of trees get cut down, so we prevent that from happening. Protected areas, like establishing national parks and reserves to preserve biodiversity. Community involvement, indigenous communities play a key role in conservation. They can put up posters, they can have meetings on these stuff, and they could also implement laws, rules within the community. Then we have the government policies, the laws and the agreements, like the Red Plus or the Red Cross, support forest preservation. reforestation, like we have planting to restore degraded areas and maintain ecosystem balance, where we can have activities like planting of trees, where people can plant trees. The children, we can have that in school, where children plant more trees. In places where we have less trees growing or stuff, just to maintain a balanced ecosystem. And that is the end of my part. Now my colleague, Sir Mark, will carry you through the conclusion part.
I, Sir Mark, will conclude from what my colleagues have mentioned. Guyana's rainforests are an invaluable natural treasure, providing resources like food, medicine, timber, ecotourism, which contribute to sustainable development and supporting biodiversity. However, they face threats from deforestation like wildfire or fire caused by humans, illegal logging where men will do illegal logging without following or adhering to the government policies, and climate change. Sustainable development is key to balancing economic growth and environmental conservation. By protecting and responsibly managing its forests, Guyana can ensure that future generations continues to benefit from this rich ecosystem while maintaining its role as a leader in global forest conservation. Thank you.